Hi guys, it's me Arjun. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be talking exclusively about the problems that I'm facing with my Asus VivoBook Pro 14X OLED. So already I did a full 15-minute review of this laptop. That was a really long video, and so far there are a lot of great reviews about that laptop on YouTube. But you clicked on this video because you are really interested in this laptop and want to buy it. So before buying that, you want to make sure there are no problems that you'll be facing after owning this laptop. So this video is for you, and I really want to make this video short, so let's cut to the point. And to start with, there are not much issues that I'm facing with this laptop, just 3 things, and mostly it's software related. But that is a serious issue, especially for a laptop for creators. See, you might be interested in this laptop for its color, the screen, for your creative workflow, etc. But before talking about the first issue that I'm facing, are you someone who uses your laptop in full brightness all the time? As this is an OLED panel, you want to prolong its life, then you'll have to keep the brightness low. Only use the brightness that's necessary for the moment and not just like always run it at full brightness. This is an OLED panel. If you want to reduce the brightness below 50%, then you will experience flickering and that will strain your eyes. So if you want to avoid flickering and use your laptop in a less brightness, then you will have to go to MyAsus app, and within that there is an option called flicker free dimming, and you'll have to set the brightness in that. And for that to work, you will have to set your Windows brightness to more than 50%, or better more than 60%. But after you did that, you're gonna watch something on YouTube or maybe any other online streaming platforms, or maybe even if you download something on your laptop and you're watching it, then you will experience some color changing issues or glitches in the video, something of that sort. And this issue is being observed only on the AMD variants of this laptop and not the Intel ones. If you are using an Intel one and experiencing this issue, then please comment below. And that was the first issue I want to share, and this is a driver issue and a lot of people are facing this. And how do I know that? At first I recorded a video demonstrating this issue, which I intend to send to some Asus representatives, but I thought to make that video public and I shared it on YouTube. And within a month I saw a lot of people commenting and saying they are facing the same issue. I got a lot of views and likes and comments for that video. So I'm pretty much sure a lot of people are facing this issue. Also, there is a thread about this on Asus own forum. I will leave a link in the description below. And there also a lot of users are reporting it, and there are also Reddit threads about it. See, this is a driver issue and it can be fixed with an update, but so far I haven't yet received an update that fixes this. And recently I got an update and I thought it did fix it, but it didn't. It introduced a new problem, that is, if you're watching something offline, like if you're watching something using VLC media player, then the brightness will like suddenly spike to 100%. Now the second issue I want to share is about the specs. This laptop is a really capable and powerful machine. It has the Ryzen 5900HX, which is a really great and powerful CPU. And also it's a really hot CPU, and pair that with this slim form factor laptop, the laptop gets really hot. Like if you want to do something productive other than the casual office things, you want to do something like a video editing or something, some sort of creative things, then the laptop will heat up so fast and goes into thermal throttling. And there comes the third issue that I'm facing, which is the fan noise. See, if you're doing anything else other than web browsing, then the fans will kick in. At low RPMs it's fine, but if you're doing something heavy, the fans are really loud. It's like a rocket taking off. And it doesn't do much justice in cooling also. The fans are really loud and the laptop gets thermal throttle easily, which is something that disappoints me. And there is one bonus issue that I want to share with you. See, most of these issues are software related except for the heating and fan noise. But the software is really buggy. Like you get a ProArt software with this, using which you can control your laptop's performance modes, see the RAM usage, everything. You can clear, free up RAM. It's a really handy software. Like you can set custom profiles for individual app. I mean custom performance profiles for individual apps. It's really nice. It's a really useful app, but there is a lot of bug. Like you can't see CPU usage, RAM usage. Those things are not working. I tried uninstalling it, clearing a lot of things I tried, but it still doesn't work. So these kind of software issues are really annoying, and it really turns down the experience of this laptop. So yeah, those were the issues that I want to share with you guys about this laptop, and I want to like end it really quick. I don't want to bore you guys so much with this complaining. And also, I'm not like a hater of Asus. In fact, I love their products a lot, especially the Republic of Gamers series products. I really love them. But these issues that I shared really annoys me, and that's why I shared with you. If you are looking to buy this laptop, then think twice about this. Okay, if you found this video helpful, then please drop a like and maybe consider subscribing, because I will be adding more videos like this. See you. Bye.